Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. And so now we are going to move on to this part of the practice exams. And today we are going to focus on part two, like what you saw on the video, that it was part two. And I'm going to ask you each a different question with different things that you have to talk about. So I'm going to share with you this card so that you can take a look at it and think about what you want to say, okay? And once you do that, we'll go ahead and take turns with different cards to practice the speaking. All right? So right now I'm going to share my screen with you. And I would like Dana to take a look at this card. And it says, describe something you did that was new or exciting. You should say what you did, where and when you did this, who you shared the activity with, and explain why this activity was new or exciting for you. Okay, can you see the screen? Okay, perfect. So you can go ahead and remember that we have about a minute and a half to talk about it. If you go over time, it doesn't matter. I will let you know more or less when you need to stop. And also, I may correct you if you make a little mistake here and there. I may correct you so that we can fix those little things in the way. So you have the car there to see. You let me know when you're ready, and I'll start the timer. Okay. Okay. You mean from the question or from my comment? Okay. I said that you can go ahead and gather your thoughts, gather your ideas, and let me know when you're ready so that I can start the timer. Ready, Dana? Okay, go ahead. Her family. Okay, thank you very much. Perfect timing. All right. So I'm going to continue now with Sergio. And Sergio, this is the question for you. Describe a film that you would like to see in the future. You should say what the film is called, what is it about, how you heard about this film, and why would you like to see it. So I'm going to give you a few seconds to think about it, gather your thoughts, your ideas. Let me know when you're ready so we can begin the clock. Let me know. Film that you would like to see in the future. Maybe you like to see the same picture in the future, the same movie in the future. That's your decision. It doesn't say that it has to be a new one. It says just that a film. Yes, you could talk about it, of course, and then just place it in the future, answering the questions. You can go ahead and do that. You can tell me about it, and you can tell me also why would you like to see it again. So instead of asking you why would you like to see it, I will be asking you why would you like to see it again. No problem. Okay, you ready? Perfect. Go ahead then. Okay, is among. Among. Okay. Okay, thank you so much. What was it called again? The Godfather. Okay. Yeah, it is actually a good movie. Thank you for sharing. Okay, so Ivan, I'm going to show you now the next one. And it says right here, describe an enjoyable event that you experienced when you were in school. And you should say when it happened, what was good about it, and why you particularly remember this event. So again, you have a few minutes to gather your thoughts if you like, or if you want to start now, that's fine. You let me know. All right, go ahead. Take a few minutes to gather your thoughts. Okay, are we ready? Perfect. So go ahead, begin. Oh boy.